Meet Max, who had just purchased his dream home and needed a reliable team to transport all his cherished belongings. With just a call to our sales office, Max received personalized assistance in selecting the perfect date, time, and number of movers. Our expertly trained movers arrived with a smile and a top-of-the-line truck, fully equipped to handle any challenge. Max's furniture and TVs were meticulously packed with moving blankets and cardboard for ultimate protection. Bulky items like beds were gracefully disassembled, and mattresses were carefully wrapped in plastic. Soon, Max's belongings were on their way to the new home, where our dedicated movers unloaded everything into the designated rooms with utmost care and precision. Assembling furniture back to its original glory was a breeze for our skilled team. But that's not all. Our attentive crew lead ensured every detail met Max's expectations with a final check, leaving him delighted with the seamless experience. If you need assistance packing boxes, we'll handle it with expertise if your new place isn't ready or requires temporary storage. Worry not, our secure warehouse facility will keep your belongings safe until you're ready for delivery. Experience a seamless and stress-free moving journey with local and long-distance movers.